Hi there, this is Emily, and I'm going to walk you through our admin menu. First, navigate to your name in the top right corner. Account settings is where you can add in users and manage brands. I will also be creating a video on how to add in a user, so stay tuned. Billing info is where you can access your invoices and update credit cards. Developer settings is going to be used for a Zapier integration for automating workspaces. The CC Academy is a great educational tool we encourage everyone to watch. They are going to be short video clips and quizzes at the end, just to make sure you're comfortable with the basics on our platform. FAQ, the frequently asked questions page, is a great resource to use as well. This is all of our help articles of our most asked questions on our page. So if any questions that might come up, please feel free to take a look in here as well. Please feel free to reach out to support chat as well. Our support chat team is live and ready to answer your questions. Reach out to them if you need any quick questions answered. We are here to help. Our support docs are similar to our FAQ tab. However, these are white labeled articles that you can send over to your clients. The platform status is the overall health of how our platform is running. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.